Welcome to my channel. You are about to discover the blueprint for starting a profitable online business in the most automated era of human history. This is not the e-commerce of 5 years ago. This is how you start an AI-powered Shopify business in 2026. We are standing on the precipice of a massive shift in entrepreneurship, and those who adapt now will build fortunes. What if you could start a full online business in 2026 without employees, without inventory, and without even creating your own products? This is the core question that AI answers for the modern solopreneur. For decades, starting an e-commerce business was a logistical nightmare. Massive capital for inventory, complex supply chains, and the constant overhead of hiring and managing a team. Today, thanks to advanced dropshipping models and powerful AI tools, all those barriers are evaporating. Transition, dynamic data visualization. AI is changing e-commerce forever. This isn't theoretical. It's happening right now. The difference between success and failure in 2026 is no longer about who has the biggest team or the largest warehouse. It's about who masters the AI tools that allow one person to run an entire, high-volume Shopify business from a single laptop. AI tools are effectively replacing what were once entire traditional teams. Think about it. A virtual assistant for customer service, an AI copywriter for product descriptions, and an intelligent analyst for ad optimization. Every single function that used to require hiring specialized human talent is now being handled by algorithms running in the cloud. This democratization of operations is the biggest wealth transfer event in e-commerce history. Sound of a notification chime/cash register ding. We are moving into Section 1, Why AI-powered Shopify businesses are booming. This is the crucial context you need to understand why 2026 isn't just another year for e-commerce, but a turning point. The global e-commerce growth trajectory continues to climb exponentially, but the real game changer is AI lowering the barriers to entry. Traditionally, you needed thousands of dollars just to test products and hire copywriters. AI has stripped that down to virtually nothing. You can now compete with established brands with minimal outlay, thanks to the speed and efficiency of automation revolutionizing how businesses operate. Consider the old model: sourcing, warehousing, hiring graphic designers, marketers, and support staff. It was slow and expensive. The AI-powered model is lean, digital, and scalable instantly. This means dramatically lower startup costs and, crucially, much faster scaling. If you find a winning product today, AI allows you to ramp up ads, optimize conversions, and manage logistics within a few hours, not weeks. This speed advantage makes 2026 the absolute perfect time for beginners to start. Transition. Upbeat, investigative music begins. We now move to the bedrock of any successful online store: finding a winning product. This is Section 2, Finding Winning Products with AI. Forget endless manual scrolling through Amazon bestsellers. AI has fundamentally changed product discovery from a gamble to a science. AI platforms today are powerful predictive engines. They don't just tell you what's selling now, they tell you what will be selling in 3 months. These systems analyze social media engagement, search volume spikes, and macroeconomic shifts to perform trend prediction with staggering accuracy. They validate product concepts before you spend a single dollar, ensuring you only launch items with high viral potential. Competitor research, which used to take hours of manual clicking, is now automated. AI tools scan top-performing ads, analyze product pricing strategies across thousands of stores, and even predict the revenue of your competitors. This competitive intelligence gives you a massive market advantage, allowing you to price your products optimally and target the exact audience that your rivals are already converting. The AI often points towards products that solve modern problems or align with emerging AI lifestyle trends. Think smart gadgets that integrate with AI assistants, premium pet accessories driven by AI health monitoring, or home organization products optimized for minimalist, automated living. These are the categories TikTok viral products are born from, and AI is your guide to finding them first. Transition. Design-focused, clean electronic music. We've found the product. Now, let's build your storefront. This is Section 3, Building Your Shopify Store with AI. This process is where the true power of AI for the beginner shines, transforming a complex design project into a streamlined setup. Forget hiring expensive web developers or wrestling with complex code. Modern Shopify AI website builders can suggest optimal themes based on your niche, structure your navigation for maximum conversion, and even pre-populate essential pages. You simply feed the AI your product idea, and it handles the architectural heavy lifting, ensuring your store is professional, fast, and mobile optimized right out of the gate. Beyond the site structure, AI dominates content creation. AI language models craft product descriptions that are SEO optimized, compelling, and instantly translate features into customer benefits. Need a logo? AI branding tools generate high-quality, professional logos in seconds. Even complex product images and lifestyle shots can be generated by AI, eliminating the need for expensive photo shoots and accelerating your time to market. Years ago, building a high-converting e-commerce store took weeks of painstaking design, copywriting, and technical configuration. Now, thanks to AI, a beginner can go from having just an idea to launching a fully functional, polished, and ready-to-sell Shopify store in a single day. This speed is critical, allowing you to capitalize on fleeting trends before the market becomes saturated. Transition. Music becomes more punchy and dynamic. Once your store is live, you need traffic. This brings us to Section 4, AI Ads and Marketing. This is where AI truly optimizes your revenue, turning guesswork into predictable, scalable profit. AI is now your creative partner for advertising. You can use simple inputs to create high-converting AI video ads optimized for platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels. AI copywriting tools analyze thousands of successful ad campaigns to instantly generate headlines and body copy that maximizes click-through rates. This level of personalized, data-driven creative output ensures your ad spend is always efficient. Beyond paid ads, AI manages your entire marketing ecosystem. It powers social media marketing by scheduling content, analyzing audience engagement, and identifying the best times to post. Similarly, AI takes over email campaigns, segmenting your customer list automatically and sending personalized follow-up sequences. It even assists in AI influencer outreach by identifying micro-influencers whose audience perfectly matches your product. Transition. Music shifts to a calm, successful, yet dynamic undertone. We arrive at Section 5, automating your entire business. This is the culmination of the AI-powered strategy, transforming a stressful venture into a passive income machine. The days of constantly answering repetitive customer questions are over. AI customer support chatbots handle 80 to 90% of inquiries instantly, 24/7, across multiple languages, ensuring high customer satisfaction. When an order is placed, AI triggers order automation instantly, connecting to your fulfillment partner. This hands-off approach allows your business to run while you focus on scaling, or frankly, while you sleep. Furthermore, inventory management and forecasting are powered by AI analytics, predicting demand fluctuations and ensuring you never run out of popular items. One person can now manage what once required an entire company. This means you can be anywhere in the world, traveling or working on your next big idea, while your AI-powered Shopify business runs reliably and profitably on autopilot. First, let's address a common misconception. Many beginners think Shopify is a get-rich-quick business. It is absolutely not. Understanding the commitment required is the first step. Let's look at the pitfalls many newcomers face. Success in e-commerce demands consistent effort, learning, and adaptation. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Success usually requires consistent work like testing products, learning marketing, posting consistently, improving content, and truly understanding your customers. Another big mistake is simply copying other stores without adding any unique creativity or value. The stores that succeed long-term create strong branding and trust. Good visuals, helpful content, and authentic marketing are crucial for standing out. Now let's pivot to a major game changer in the industry, artificial intelligence. How does it fit into your Shopify strategy? A key question: is AI replacing creativity? Not really. AI is primarily a tool designed to help creators move faster and be more efficient. Think of AI as an accelerator. It helps automate repetitive tasks and speeds up content generation, freeing you up for strategic work. The people winning right now are successfully combining human creativity, AI automation, consistency, and smart marketing. While AI can generate content quickly, people still connect with originality, emotion, and authentic voices. Don't let AI dilute your unique brand. We are truly entering a new era of e-commerce, one where technology is empowering entrepreneurs like never before. AI tools are significantly lowering the barrier to entry, giving ordinary people the ability to start online businesses right from home. You don't need a massive budget to begin. The focus should be on strategic learning, not just capital investment. What matters most is learning critical skills, staying consistent with your efforts, and taking decisive action. If you've been thinking about starting a Shopify business, now is one of the best times to learn. Creators who adapt to this new technology early may have a huge advantage in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you truly learned something from my videos, please like and subscribe, as it motivates me to make more.